Verify I have chamfers and spatula. Yep, I got chamfers. All looks good. Little chamfer there. All looks good. Alright. 2 more tools to go. Cycle set. Remember the single block. Single block, single block, single block. Position and stop before the finish line. We're at 1.869. That looks like more than 2. Finish the move. Alright, we're at 0.4. Looks the same. Coolant on. I got good flood coolant. Single block off. Make chips. Back joint. So, I was thinking about the amount of peck. Like if I was doing manual drill press work, I think I would be taking a little bit more aggressive pecks. So I look up in my book, or my Haas workbook, the Q value controls that. This is 0.5057. And I think I just accepted the default in my CAD CAM system. So I could probably improve that. And I was watching a tips of the day video that said I could probably do at least the Q value of the peck the same as the diameter of the tool, or half of that. So that's a 228 drill, and if I calculate half of that, 0.228 divided by 2 is 114. So I can improve my program and make the Q value 114. So I might write myself a little note and try that out. Or I can hand edit this, because if I have to make another part like I do, I can go adjust that one. Alright, drills looks good. I verified that I have drilled holes. And if they hold coolant, that means they weren't drilled through. That's also good. Alright, so if I need to edit my program, I can actually do something called background editing. This is the same program, and I'm going to look for G83, search down, and my Q value. I'm going to change the Q to forgot the number, 0.228 divided by 2 is 114. I hit enter by mistake. I needed to do alter. I have 2 Q's in there. Delete that one. There we go. So I've updated the program, but I didn't hit reset. So it'll be updated for the next time around. Last one's tapping. Alright, back to single block. Alright. Single block. And we're going to just single block one hole only. So we're at 0.2 above the part, right? Coolant on, and observe the whole cycle. Right? Spindle shuts off. Spindle goes on and down at the same time. I don't hear any snapping noise. Shut the coolant off. There's still a tap there, that's good. Coolant back on, take single block off, cycle start. Remember that that's a G84 cycle, almost identical to the other ones, so it's the same positions, depth, and positions. And when you're tapping, the feed rate and the spindle speed are coordinated exactly. It has to be an exact number with rigid tapping. So now we're done here. Everything's done. I'm going to blow off a little bit of this. I'm going to take the part out, unclamp. Always treat the handle like being in your hand. Don't leave it in the vise. Take this out, blow it off in the machine. Little whistles in the holes. I observe here that, okay, I didn't have the part long enough, but I think if I get the right material length, I'll be ready to go again. Turn the vise off, and now I can do a quick inspection. That'll be part next.